In a sunlit kitchen, a couple learns that a 60-second daily check-in can untangle drift before it grows. They share one concrete need and one sincere appreciation, turning conversation into a simple ritual rather than a battle. When misreads happen, they pause, label the feeling, and ask for clarification instead of assuming intent. A friend's advice about reflective listening becomes a tool belt they wear on family dinners and late-night chats. Over weeks, tiny routines accumulate trust, showing that steady, empathetic repair beats dramatic apologies every time and lasting growth.